What's up YouTube? Today's going to be a quick how-to video on replacing a LCD screen for the Dell Inspiron 15 3000 series. If you enjoyed the video, like, subscribe, and drop some comments in there. Whoever gives me the best comment, I'm going to mention you in my next video. Peace and love, y'all. What's up, y'all? You see you got this old broke LCD screen. First thing I'm going to show y'all is where to unscrew the 4 screws that connect the LCD screen. First one, second. But when you're doing this, you definitely want to be delicate when you take it off, because at the bottom, and you'll see it in a second, it's an LCD, something called the LCD connector. It's a connector that connects to the actual LCD display. There you go, right there at the bottom. That's me plugging at it right now. I'm trying to get the tape off of it. But you want to be very delicate with that. That's the main part to this whole function, this whole operation. If you mess that up, sorry, no. But it's pretty simple. It's pretty hard to mess it up. Just, plug the tape up. There's no heat needed. It's a little latch that's right underneath there. So when you take it, you're going to flick the latch up as I just did, and you're going to pull it back. See the LCD screen out, new LCD in. And just to put it in, it's the same steps how you did. Just put it inside the little slot and pull the latch down, and pull the tape over. It's not too hard. It's pretty easy. Now just pop the LCD back in. If you don't have a film over your LCD screen, try your hardest not to touch it unless you're wearing gloves. If you're wearing gloves and there's no grease on your gloves, it's fine. But if you don't have gloves on and you don't have film on your LCD screen, a film protector on your LCD screen, please do not touch the LCD. It's going to leave smudges on the LCD. It's going to be oily, greasy. It's going to be a bad mess. When I'm putting, as you see here, I'm having a hard time doing that. Well, you see, I'm putting these screws back together. I like to go diagonal positions because it doesn't put stress on the LCD, so then you won't mess up the picture or anything. Like, all the pressure won't be on one side. Oh my God. What am I doing? What? Oh my goodness. What am I doing? My hand's ashy. My hands look old. Nerves bad. I was probably hungry, malnourished. See, you can pull that film off, and then you put the bezel back on. They ain't at the beginning of the show. I mean, at the beginning of the video, but it's a quick, simple pop on, pop off. Start from the bottom, pop the bezel off, and then just make your way around the inside of it. Right here, I was filming with some tape. It got stuck in there. I don't know where it came from, but it got stuck, and I just had to cut it out of it after the video. That's it. It's not hard to really replace a screen. I'm definitely going to have more videos in different laptops, so you can, because it's not every laptop is the same, trust me. But voila, she brand new. Just like she left the box, man. If y'all need your laptop fixed, come to Brainiac Tech Solutions, where bid, think, and strive.